everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Scruff-a-Luvs Cutie Cuts. This is a whole new way to unbox your cutie cuts. And I want to thank Moose Toys for sending us the new Little Live Pets Scruff-a-Luvs. These are so cute. Who is inside? Will you get a Frenchie or you will get a Yorkie? All you have to do is shave to magically reveal your pet. And there are 10 surprises inside. Look how cool this is. It really works. Has a neat handle, instructions on how to open, and look at the back of the box. So there's a Yorkie inside or a Frenchie with 10 surprises for your pup. So there are ways to unbox it. So you have to shave it, then wash it, groom it, and then style it. So stinking cute. Plus, you get to save the box to create your own little beauty salon for your new pup. How cool is that? Thank you so much again to Moose. So let's get started. In order to keep the integrity of the box, you're gonna unbox it from the bottom. It says open here. Don't forget to cut these open. How cute is this little beauty salon setup? I love it. You get your own clipper that you could reuse again and again for more pretend play. It already comes with batteries. Now, if you notice that it's like not working as well, definitely change the batteries. And you could do so by removing the backing. And it takes 2 AAA batteries. Now, keep in mind, if you're buying this for your child, make sure you are standing by with your kiddo. You don't want them to be unboxing this alone because, I mean, I know that these are pretend play clippers, but you never know. And also, they do suggest that when you are drying your pup, adult supervision is required. So just keep that in mind. Let's try to shake out our pup. Ooh. Wow. Wow, so it comes with everything that you need. It looks like we have our own little like pouch over here. I don't know what any of this stuff is, but we're gonna find out. Inside is our little adorable Little Live Pets. So we're gonna go from messy mutt to pampered pup. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, you can even keep everything inside. Look how furry this pet is. It is so stinking cute already, I love it. Now check out the adorable beauty salon for your pup. You get so many little surprises as well, which is such a fun unboxing experience. So let's get it unboxed and let's see what kind of pup we got. Now that we have our pup out, let's see if we have a Yorkie or a Frenchie. This experience is like really realistic, and it really just gives you like those DODO vibes. Look at, oh my gosh, this is crazy. It just comes right off. It's so cool. What a fun unboxing experience this is. I have to pick up another one so my kids can do this. I feel kind of bad that I'm doing this without them. You could start to reveal what you got, and look, it's so different for this time around. They actually have some like plastic details for the actual pup, like on their feet. Oh my gosh, listen to this. Oh wow, I love this unboxing experience. It really just adds another layer of fun for Little Live Pets. Like honestly, Moose Toys does the coolest stuff with their products. It just gets better and better and better. Kids are gonna love this. If you love it, let me know in the comments. I want to hear your thoughts on it. Honestly, I mean, as a pet lover, I think this is such a great concept, especially to teach children how important it is to be gentle to pets. It teaches them empathy, and the fact that like little pets are, oh my gosh, this is a little tail. Animals are always just, they're not in the best condition when they're brought to vet rescue or vets or rescues. So this really teaches children the importance of pet rescue and basically what is involved in taking care of an animal too. Like if you don't brush your pet, this is what's gonna happen. They're gonna get all matted. This is so cool. I love this unboxing experience. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I feel like I'm in the DODO right now. Like I feel like I'm posting a video for the DODO. Okay, now we're gonna reveal our pup's face. Look at how shaggy our pup is. Oh my gosh, if you have a messy mutt, we're gonna go to pampered pup any minute. Oh my gosh. Look at the big eyes this little puppy has. So stinking cute. Now we have to do another layer of cleaning for our little pup. Now we're going to give it a little bath in warm water with child-friendly soap, and you'll be able to remove all this scruff. Let's see if I have a little bit more to shave. Looks like we have some more. Really coming together though. So we went from this to this, and now we're gonna go put her in the bath. I'm gonna throw this away. We're gonna actually keep this, and this is what you're gonna use it for. Remember this? I didn't know what it was for. This is actually a cushion, a little pet bed for your pup. You're gonna take all the clippings and put it right inside. Now I'm gonna get my pup washed, and while she's drying, we'll open up the surprises. Let's do it.
While you're doing that, can you see someone peeing?
No, but hold on, wait 1 second. Shh. Stop talking. Look at this. Okay, let's look at what we have inside the first mystery box or mystery door. Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got our own little crimper for our puppy. That's cool. So you get to crimp your puppy's hair. Oh, we have barrettes. You have cute little clips for your puppy. Rosette barrette and a bow barrette. All right, let's open up the other door. Oh, it looks like we have a collar. There's ballet slippers on it. That is so stinking cute. Let's open up this door. Oh my goodness. No wonder our pup has little nails. Now we can paint her nails with the nail polish. That is so cute. Oh, and we got a comb to help comb her hair. Here are all the accessories that you get with this set. You get a comb, a collar, a bottle of nail polish that you could really paint the puppy's nails with, and I'm going to show you how in a second, a hair crimper, and barrettes. How cute is this little set? I love it. And don't forget, you also get a little puppy bed, and you get your clipper. Little puppy, now we got a Frenchie. She's so stinking cute. Her fur is all dry up here. She's still a little bit damp, but I'm gonna give her some more time. I just wanted to show you the progress of her. She looks so super cute. Since she's partially dry, we can definitely accentuate. We could definitely pamper her in the pup salon. So adorable. So let's get her all dolled up. Here we go. We're gonna go to the salon. Now that we're in the salon, you could use the comb. She definitely needs it. Needs a good brushing. Now for the finishing touch, let's paint her nails. You're gonna need icy cold water to use the Cutie Cuts nail polish. Fill it up with icy cold water, or you could just dab it with an ice cube just to get that neat effect. So here is her little paw. We're going to paint her toenails, get her all purdied up. Look how cute. It's like, I think it's like totally trendy too for people to paint their cat and dog's claws. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure they use, I hope they use doggy and kitty friendly nail polish. Here we are, getting her all dolled up. She looks good from head to toe. Let me know what you think of the new Little Live Pets Scruff-a-Luvs Cutie Cuts. This is the most adorable unboxing experience. Super duper fun. Looks like she lost her barrette, but let me fix that before we say goodbye. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Let me know what you think of this adorable new pet. This is our little Frenchie pup, and her name is Lotso. She's so cute. I love her. Let me know what you think of her in the comments below, and this entire unboxing experience. I highly recommend it. It's super duper fun. All of the retail info will be in my description below. Thank you so much to Moose Toys for giving us this first look of the brand new Little Live Pets Cutie Cuts. They are so stinking cute. I hope to get another one for my kiddos so they can enjoy it. Again, there are 10 surprises inside. Super fun unboxing experience. Like, honestly, you can't go wrong. All right, let's check out, before we go, let's try out her little bed. And now she could rest in style. Super cute. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.